name is Mia. Today we're going to be opening Guardians of the Galaxy toy. And this one's the leader. I think it's this one. That one right there. I'm gonna open this thing. Open. Now let's open it. Wow. I don't know what this is, but if you know what this is, subscribe and
First, I think you gotta get in the back right here.
Okay.
You gotta untie the twisties.
I'm gonna go get the scissors for the second. So I got the scissors now. So let's cut it from the back. So this guy is. Wait, can you put? I couldn't see the light.
I had to turn off the light because the phone's dying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the phone's gonna die soon.
Okay, so
Okay.
I like it because look, so like you can actually touch it. It feels close. Feels like that, you know, they were yesterday. Then the face, it's cool because you can actually take off its face and put this on. So I'm gonna show you. It's heavy to take off. It is supposed to be it. So maybe that we're not talking about it right now, but we'll talk about how it's cool. So look, you can make it hold its guns. And that's how you hold it, actually. What did I get? No, wait, let me see how the other ones use that. Right here? No, that's the front part. Let me try this again. So, here's a quick funny part I wanted to show you. If you take this guy off, you can actually put only this little of a hand there, and look, it's a hand. I just grab. So, I'm gonna check this one. Look, my head's falling down. I know it's gonna fall down anyway. So, like, this is the greatest one we've tried because this is a decoration. If you want to put this on a decoration, it has no hole. If you can see, maybe maybe you see a hole, but that's just a glass pipe. So then, and you can do this. We finally got this to come off. So being careful with this because I had to put a lot of tape on it because I kind of broke it. Don't do it hard on him. Don't be like, do not do that. So be like gentle like this. Put it on like this. Bye everybody.
Do that again.
Bye everybody. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gen Alpha toy reviews. And hey, hit that notification bell to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.